Hey everyone, it's Maranatha again. I'm so happy to teach you how to make Owie blend because this blend helped us with my daughter's skin issue that she had since she was a baby. When other creams didn't work or she was just tired of putting them on her skin. And what's great is it clears them up so fast, those dry, itchy, scaly skin patches. And you can use it for, of course, lots of other things. So you can use it as a facial moisturizer. You can use it on an actual boo-boo, like a scrape, and just go to town, whatever you want to try it on that is related to the skin. You can try this out. So what you're going to need is an empty 15 ml bottle, okay? And I buy these with the little spray tops off of Amazon from a company called Vivaplex. And you can get about 24 of these bottles for only $15. So this is really great. You'll be stocked up for a long time for hardly anything at all. Or you can actually buy a few of them from Amazon. No, not Amazon. Aroma Tools, which is the oil lovers candy store. So you've got your little 15 ml spray bottle. Now the recipe in the picture says 2 ounces. So to give you an idea, the fractionated coconut oil is 4 ounces. So it's a spray bottle that's about half this amount of oil in it. Whatever you want to use, if you can decide the ratio that you want. This is the ratio we used, 15 drops of each in a 15 ml bottle for her dry, scaly skin patches. Okay, so you need your frankincense. You're going to want to grab your lavender, and then you'll grab your tea tree, okay? And you will pour 15 drops of each into your spray bottle. I actually already put the melaleuca, or tea tree, the tea tree and the lavender in this bottle. So I will now be adding the frankincense. So you just tilt the bottle to the side and you kind of count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Okay, so by tilting it to the side, you don't just shake it up and down. You have a little more control over the speed of the oils coming out of the bottle. And then you're going to want to top it off with your fractionated coconut oil. So tilt the bottle to the side like this, and I line it up, okay? And then I squeeze the coconut oil bottle. And then I'll fill this whole bottle up with coconut oil. And then I'll have my Owie spray that will help with rashes. I've even used it as after diaper spray. So you can use it for all kinds of things. If you want to reduce the ratio, like make the 2 ounce version and still use the same amount of oils, that's great for just your everyday scrapes and bruises. And if you want to use it for like a facial serum, I use it this way. If you want to use it for like a scar serum, then I would double these. I would put 30 drops of each. And I would still use the 15 ml spray bottle. Or you could even do a 10 ml roll-on, but still doing 30 drops of each. So those are my tips on making Owie blend and using it in a few different ways. Thanks everybody. I hope you enjoy and love your Owie spray too.